How to add a graphic in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and go to the edit page where you do all your timeline work. Next, look for the media pool panel, usually located in the top left corner. This is where you import and manage all your media files like videos, images, and graphics. To add a graphic, simply drag and drop your desired graphic file, such as a PNG or JPEG, directly into the media pool. If your graphic has a transparent background, using PNG format is best to keep the transparency intact. After importing, drag the graphic from the media pool onto the timeline and place it on a video track above your main footage. This way, the graphic will appear on top of your video. If you want to adjust the size or position of the graphic, select it on the timeline and then go to the inspector panel on the top right. Here you can resize, rotate, and move the graphic to fit your video perfectly. You can also add effects or animation to your graphic by using the effects library for more creative control. Finally, play your timeline to check how the graphic looks in your video and make any necessary tweaks before exporting. And that's it. Now you know how to add a graphic in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.